It's been a long time, of course, but since it's school and all, it's taking a long time, so I released another video today. So it's top 10 slowest animals in this world. So number 10, we have manatees. They're cow-like creatures and are thought to have inspired mermaid legends. Manatees never leave the water but come up for air every 5 minutes. They are more closely related to elephants than they are to any other marine creatures. They eat more than 1/10 of their weight in food every day. Manatees usually travel about 5 miles per hour, but they can also go up to 15 miles per hour in short bursts. And they can't turn their heads like we can do. They can't turn like that, just keep it straight. At number 9, we have Gila monster. They're the largest lizard in North America and can reach 2 feet in length and up to 5 pounds in weight. They're named after the Gila River in Arizona. Gila monster is one of the 2 known venomous lizard species. Gila monsters eats eggs, small birds and animals, lizards, frogs, and carrions. They gather in larger groups during mating season, and it takes place from April to June. They also have a very thick and long tail that stores fats, and they can be used as a source of energy when food isn't available. Number 8, we have Walrus. They're one of the rarest primates, and their closest relative is the African bush babies. Very weird name, I know. They may be slow creatures, but they can travel 8 kilometers in one night. It's not that fast, but still it's not that slow either. It's in the middle. The second finger of a walrus is smaller than the rest for gripping purposes. In parts of Asia, the walrus is believed to be able to cure over 100 diseases. That's actually kind of cool. Has one of the slowest rates of development. They have 6 different sleeping sites they can use. Number 7, seahorse. The seahorse populations have dropped by up to 50%. They are traded on the black market. Seahorses are endangered species. Don't kill them, please. They don't live. They require little food to eat, and they mainly eat shrimp, fish, and plankton. Most of them are located in colder waters around New Zealand, the UK, and eastern Canada. Seahorses use camouflage by growing little lumps to blend into their environment. Number 6, we have banana sludge. Their slime numbs their predator's tongue. They hibernate during extreme periods of coldness. They are vital creatures to the redwood ecosystem. Their mating varies based on the species, of course. They have holes in the side of their head, and their slime provides messages to other slugs. Basically like telepathy, that's what you would call it. Number 5, we have koalas. Koalas aren't bears, they're marsupials. They can be found in southeastern and eastern Australia. Koalas can sleep up to 18 hours a day, but they're losing their homes to excessive tree clearing. It's like, don't cut trees again, come on. You're basically risking human lives also. The koala numbers have been declining at a steady rate, and koala chlamydia is a disease for them. Number 4, giant tortoise. Their eggs are about the size of a tennis ball and are buried in moist sand or loose soil. It takes them about 20 years to reach a breeding size. They've been known to travel 3 or 4 miles in a day, and they're very powerful and can plow over small trees, people, and many types of fences. Which is a tortoise, they're giant. And the male tortoises are generally much larger than females of the same species. Different species, the size will vary then. And they don't need to drink water for great lengths of time because most of the water is in their food. So basically, I think they don't eat that much food of living or non-living creatures, but they drink a lot of water. Number 3, garden snail. Garden snails tend to eat various types of fruit, vegetables, flowers, and bushes. They generally live in the Mediterranean, but They have now been spread to other continents besides Antarctica. They make up 80% of all mollusks on this planet. Mollusks are, I think it's a group of snails. And then the shell of a garden snail is made up of calcium carbonate. I think that's strong. Some of their predators include birds, frogs, lizards, and centipedes. Garden snails create mucus, and it travels like slime. Mucus is disgusting. Just saying. The second is starfish. They can regenerate their own arms when it's cut off. They have no brain, blood, and a central nervous system. They have a strong material that makes the skin rough. They have a stomach outside their body which helps them digest food and eat. There are 2,000 different species of starfishes in total. Starfish will tend to eat detritus, plants, clams, and oysters. Technically, I think they're not omnivores, and they're herbivores because mainly all they eat is just plants. So that's all I think. And number 1, three-toed sloth. If they're caught on land, it is hard to avoid their predators and must defend themselves by clawing and biting. It doesn't fully maintain a constant body temperature. The babies are seen to cling to their mothers, and they travel by hanging on to them for the first 9 months. Even though they are slow in trees, they are still agile swimmers. Agile means they're fast. Their large, curved claws help the sloth to keep a strong grip on tree branches. And they can be found on Isla Escudo de Vergas, which has been separated from Panama for 9,000 years almost. And I think Panama is located in Mexico, so I think it's around Mexico in continental North America, of course. So yeah, that's the top 10 slowest animals in the world. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe down below. And yeah, that's it. Bye.